Everybody seems to love Kevlar for model airplane hinges, but I don't like it because I've tried scoring it, not scoring it, having fiberglass only on the top, on both sides, and when you go and bend it, half of the times it just breaks the fibers going lengthwise, so it does not make for a strong hinge. So as you see, if I really pull on it, you have to break, okay? Fuck. Yeah, it was supposed to break, and let me try to shear it. Okay. So yeah, it's not that good. So what I found is that using plastic, this is an HDPE bottle, you can make some better hinges. You cut a strip from the bottle, it was cut this way, and then you have to bend it, and it bends back and forth without breaking, and it also doesn't shear. So if I try, it just doesn't. It's better than the Kevlar. So in order to make a straight line, to bend it in a straight fashion, you cannot just go with your hands because it turns out all wavy. Even with a straight edge, if you clamp it down, it doesn't really turn out that good. So what I use is a machine for sealing food bags that has a heated element here. You put the strip inside, you turn it on, and so it makes that line where you can bend really easily your plastic strip. Some may argue that the plastic has many drawbacks compared to the Kevlar. For example, for the same strength in pure tension, you have to make a much thicker strip of plastic. It is not easy to glue, and it is not very resistant in UV light or sunlight. But on the other hand, the Kevlar just has one drawback, being that it breaks. So in order to glue it, you have to score it with some coarse grain sandpaper, or even better, you drill some holes so that the glue can make a mechanical bond, even if it does not want to stick to the plain plastic surface. It will grab the holes. For the thickness problem, you can cut a channel in your foam wing to avoid having that ridge with a sanding stick and a straight edge. Something like this. Okay. And for the UV resistance problem, as far as I know, I've only tested this piece. It has been in the sun for an afternoon and it still works. So if you fly the plane and then put it back in a non-sunny place, it should work. I'm gonna leave it some more and we'll see.